Hello wonderful people, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about the importance of scent leaf in our poultry base. I still remain Tesitoshi. Instead of using antibiotics in your poultry base, why can't you try this scent leaf? Because I know it also serves as antibiotics in our poultry base. Apart from these antibiotics, it also offers several benefits for poultry beds. Primarily acting as a natural antimicrobial agent, growth promoters, it can improve weight gain, reduce mortality, enhance digestion, and even improve blood profiles. Let's talk about these antimicrobial properties. Scent leaf contains compound with antibacterial, antifungal, and antiseptic qualities, helping to protect birds from various infections. Another one is growth promotion. This scent leaf, studies show that scent leaf can increase weight gain in broiler chicks when used as a feed additive, potentially improving overall growth performance. Another one is improved digestion. Scent leaf can aid in digestion and nutrient absorption, leading to better utilization of feed. When your broilers are eating very well, I know it will grow very well also. Another one is blood profile improvement. Scent leaf may positively influence blood consistency, potentially affecting factors like packaged cell volume, PVC, that is PCV, red blood cell, RBC, and white blood cell, WBC. Reduce mortality. Research has shown that scent leaf extract can reduce mortality rate in broiler chicks, likely due to its antimicrobial properties. Enhance feed conversion ratio. Some studies indicate that scent leaf can improve feed conversion ratio, meaning the birds utilize their feed more efficiently for growth. Natural alternative. Scent leaf can be used as natural alternative to antibiotics, offering a safe and effective way to improve poultry health. So now we are going to talk about the method of administration. I'm going to list how you can administer this scent leaf to your poultry base. Number one is fresh leaves. Chop fresh scent leaf and mix them with the bird's feed. Start with a small amount, like about 1 to 2% of the total feed, and gradually increase as needed. Another one is dried leaves. Dry scent leaf and crush them into a powdered form. Mix the powder with the bird's feed at a rate of about 1 to 2% of the total feed. So if you don't want it fresh, you can dry it. Another one, number 3, is leaf extract. Make a leaf extract by soaking scent leaf in water. Strain the liquid and mix it with the bird's feed or give it to the birds as a drink. Number 4, scent leaf tea. Make a tea by steeping dried or fresh scent leaf in a hot water. Let it cool, then mix it with the bird's feed or give it to the birds as a drink. dosage and frequency. Chicks, start with a small amount, about 0.5 to 1% of the total feed, and gradually increase as the chicks grow. Growers and layers, use about 1 to 2% of the total feed. Frequency, administer scent leaf 2 to 3 times a week, depending on the needs of the flock or the birds. Precaution, let's talk about precaution. Start with small amount, gradually introduce scent leaf into the bird's diet to avoid digestive upset. When you are adding a new thing to your poultry base, please make sure you start it gradually, little by little. Another one is that another precaution you should know is to monitor the bird's health. Watch for any adverse reaction or change in the bird's behavior or health, whether to stop or not to stop, whether the scent leaf is doing great work on them or not. So you have to monitor them very, very well. And another precaution, ensure proper hygiene. Wash your hands before and after handling scent leaf and the bird's feed. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do, so that when new video is uploaded, you will be notified. Like and share so that other farmers can benefit from it. Instead of using antibiotics, instead of you spending much money, can't you try this scent leaf? It works very fast and very, very fine on your poultry base.